Well, hi. My Jeep is finally going to get repaired. It's in the shop right now, but they've determined that there's more damage than they'd realized. Also, I bent a tie rod and have some clicking issues, maybe even a bearing's going out possibly. But anyway, they're working on it. All this damage was done on the Fordyce Trail, so I've got that one under my belt. I won't have to do that one again. It was a rough one, but it was a lot of fun.
How dare you?
I was wondering about this quarter panel back here. Yeah. So the front fender has to be replaced too?
Are we replacing the fender too, Lee? Did we decide? Okay. We're gonna try to repair it. If it don't come, we'll get one. Because it's pretty bad too.